Hi, I'm going to be talking about how I done this look today. It is a very simple running out the door kind of makeup look. As you can see, it is very simple. I don't know why I done that accent. Anyways, it's very glowy, it's very natural, it's literally just a quick going out the door look. So I will literally go through everything with you, from what products I used to the brushes to everything, the application, all sorts. So if you want to keep watching to find out how I done this look, please do. I'm going to start off with using a lip balm. This is the O'Keeffe's Lip Repair. I just like to moisturise my lips before I get started because my lips are very dry at the minute. I already washed my hands, washed my face, so I'm going to use the Clean and Clear moisturiser. I'm going to put that all over my face. Because I am kind of dry in this area here. And I like to use the oil-free one because I do have eyelash extensions in at the minute. I like to bring it up the neck as well. Next, I'm going to use a primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover. I think I do need to get a new primer though because, like I said, I have dry patches and the makeup kind of sticks to my nose and my forehead a bit. So, also please don't mind my nails. I haven't been able to get them done, so please don't mind that. I like this as well because it is tacky. It just helps your makeup stick. I like to put a good bit on my nose because I don't want my pores showing, especially when you have makeup on. I like to just put a bit on my eyelids there as well, just cause. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I recently bought this and it's actually pretty decent. I'm 140, I think the shade is. Soft matte, long wear foundation. So give it a shake. I'm using the Morphe Beauty Blender as well. Just kind of dab it around. And then I like to get this side and really go in there. So my skin tone is kind of like a yellowy shade. My neck is very yellow compared to my face. So I obviously like to match my neck. Put a bit on the ear, get that matching. I like this sponge because it is kind of hard, so you really kind of get in there when you press it in. I feel like you have more control on where you put the product. And then I like to go over my eyebrows as well because I'm going to be filling them in later, so. And then I just kind of go over all the areas again because I do like to kind of have a flawless look. I do like to use a good few pumps of this because it is kind of like medium to full coverage, and I feel like for kind of a full coverage you need about 2-3 pumps. And then I'm just going to put a bit on my neck because you need to, you know, blend that in. And I just feel like it gives a really nice coverage. So done with the foundation. So I'm going to put a bit of powder on. Looks like this. And I'm using a crown brush, dome powder brush. I have it ages now. So I like to just put a bit on my nose, a bit here. Just where I get a bit oily, you know. Then I'm going to put a bit of concealer on. Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in shade C1 and I do really like it, to be honest. Just put a bit here. Just put a bit underneath. I have to say now, I'd be lost without my eyelashes. Like, I don't have to do anything really with my eyes when I'm doing like a soft kind of glam look. Like an everyday kind of, you know, look when you don't want to, you're just running out the door. So I just tap it in with my beauty blender again. It just brightens up the eyes. I like to put a bit over here. I don't really use an eyeshadow base because I think like your concealer does the same thing. Just blend that all in. Once that's done, I like to get this is a Real Techniques contour brush. Yeah, contour brush. Pop that translucent powder in again. In here like this. Just underneath the eyes, just so they don't crease, and then over the eyelids as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with a bit of bronzing. So I used the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil in light medium. I'm using another Real Techniques brush. This is 419. Like, I just like the way how fluffy it is. It's so handy just to quickly throw on a bit of powder. This smells so nice. It smells like chocolate. Love it. So I'm literally just gonna put it on my cheeks because this brush is so fluffy. You can't really put on too much because it just buffs it out. I do like to look more bronzed than what I am because again I'm so pale. I like to just have a bit of colour in my face just so people don't think I look sick. Because anytime I wear no makeup, they're like, oh, you're so pale. Like, alright, yeah, it's just my skin colour. So yeah. And then literally a little bit on the jawline, don't go too crazy. And the good thing about this, because it's so light, you can kind of keep going back and forth. You know, if you have a really, really dark colour and you just one swipe and it's so dark and you can't really go back from that unless you keep blending and blending and blending. Whereas this is literally just, you can put on kind of as much as you want and it won't look cakey. Then I'm going to go in with a bit of blush. I'm using the Morphe blush palette. I'm going to go in with the first shade here. Now, the only thing about this palette, there is a little bit of fallout, but it's not too much. So you can kind of just blow it off and you'll be grand. I like this sweet colour. It's just really light. It just kind of gives a tiny bit of colour to the cheeks, not too intensely, you know. And then I like to just put on my nose as well, and then just blend that all out. Then I'll go in with a highlight. I'm using a Morphe R26 brush, and I'm gonna use the highlighter Becca, and this is in Pearl, and it's just a really kind of white colour. You only literally need like a tap, blow it off a little bit, and then just put it on the cheeks. Now this is pretty blinding, so you don't want to go too heavy. Just put a little bit on the cheeks, on the nose, on the bridge of the nose. I like to put some here. Just go back, put on Cupid's bow. My brows, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and I use dark brown, and this is grand because it has a spoolie on the end, if you can see there, and then the pencil here. Literally twist that up. So because it has a spoolie, I like to just go in and fill them. I like to kind of have natural bushy eyebrows just for day to day. just to have a bit of definition to the face, nothing too crazy, like literally just fill them in like that. And then go on the front just really, really gently. Fill in any sparse bits like that. Fill them in, nothing too dramatic, just give it a nice little fill. And then same on this side. Does anyone else have a bad eyebrow? Like this eyebrow goes on like a dream, and then this eyebrow always causes me hassle. And you just keep going back and forward, trying to get them even. And kind of just creating a nice shape to your face. I hope you can see what I'm doing now. I know the mirror is a bit in the way there. I just can't really see. Brow gel by Anastasia. Fluff up the brows, literally just to make them look fuller. I love this. It keeps your brows literally in place all day. Once that's done, I will just put a bit of eyeshadow on just to finish the look. Just a quick little eyeshadow and then lips using the Smashbox eyeshadow, and this is in Wheat. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH35. So literally just right in the socket. And because we already put a bit of highlighter in, like literally just blend it in. In here, quick little dust over. Just to kind of give it a little bit of more definition. And like, you can't really see it in any way, so you can just go as messily as you want. It's more just to add a bit of definition and colour. And again, because I have eyelash extensions in, I don't have to do really anything else, so it's so handy. No mascara, no eyeliner, so handy. And just blend the edges out. The last bit I have to do is just lips, so I'm using the Dose of Colours lip gloss in Can You Not. This smells so good. It's literally just a little wand applicator, and this is grand because it's a nude shade and it's a lip gloss. You literally just throw it on. You don't really have to be too precise with it. And as well, it moisturises your lips while you're wearing it, so it's not like that matte kind of dry kind of feel to it. Then I will put some setting spray on just to lock it all in place. This smells unreal. But yeah, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.